Local news for Monday the 11th of February. One person has died following a crash on State Highway 2 at Tauhiraniko that occurred on Tuesday the 29th of January. 53-year-old Craig William Shields passed away in hospital in Wellington at the weekend. UCOL is offering a new Te Reo Māori program at its campus in Masterton to meet the growing demand. Head of School of Education, Dr. Bridget Percy, says it's exciting to bring this new program to Wairarapa, with classes starting at the end of this month. The Midwives Union have issued strike notices for 12-hour strikes from 9am to 9pm, beginning today through until the 14th of February. At issue is the DHB's refusal to acknowledge the responsibilities and skills of midwives, most of whom are on the top step of the core midwife scale, earning just over $66,000 a year. Wairarapa will join Hutt Valley, Capital Coast and Nelson Marlborough in striking on Valentine's Day. And the Hurricanes have been beaten by the Blues in their Super Rugby pre-season game in Mangatanoka at the weekend, 38-31. The teams were all locked up at half-time, 14-all.